Drops are the marketing strategy the biggest brands in the world use to maximize new releases. Companies like Supreme, Skims, and Prime Hydration are known for creating massive hype around their releases so that when drop day comes, it's a huge success. Laylo does the exact same for creators, artists, athletes, and events. When NASCAR announces their schedule, they use Laylo to let fans sign up for updates and exclusive offers. When Kali Uchis dropped her latest album and tour Red Moon in Venus, she posted a link to her Laylo multi-drop on her Instagram story where fans could swipe up and RSVP for early access to tickets. Pharrell Williams hosts the Something in the Water Festival each year that has featured artists like Usher, Calvin Harris, and J Balvin. Last year, he used Laylo to drop the tickets. Chef Nick DiGiovanni is one of the biggest food content creators in the world, and he used Laylo to let fans RSVP for the drop of his most recent cookbook. Anyone that signed up through his Laylo link was also able to see sneak peeks of the cover, title, and a few other exclusive surprises. Create your first drop today in less than 60 seconds.